In this video we will explore web hosting services and provide information to help you decide which service is the best for you in 2020. What are website hosting services and which is right for you? Website hosting services are basically the slice of internet that your website sits in. If you have a website, you need a location to place it on the World Wide Web. WebSpace is provided hosting services, which are the landlords that put up your site and keep it running so your customers can access and see it when they type in your URL. There are different types of hosting services that cater to the varying types of businesses. Some web hosting companies will build your entire website, while others will just give you space and leave you to it. Depending on your business model and size, you'll choose a hosting company based on the factors explained in this video. Once you understand the terminology, the features and the pros and cons, you will be able to find the hosting provider that meet your needs. So, how do you choose the best web hosting company for 2020? There are literally hundreds of web hosting providers competing for your business, so how do you make the right decision for your site? Without a good web hosting provider, your ability to run a successful website is going to be seriously hindered. Next we will discuss the factors that make up web hosting. First up is bandwidth. One of the first things you need to do when selecting a provider is to evaluate your disk space and bandwidth needs. If your site features lots of graphics, dozens of pages, and large amounts of traffic, you're going to need a larger amount of bandwidth and disk space. Unlimited plans are available, and they make life easier. If you are going to have a simple website with minimal traffic, you will be able to get away with less disk space and bandwidth. Compatibility. Compatibility is a critical but often overlooked aspect of web hosting. Compatibility refers to the type of operating system supported by the provider. Trust us, you are not going to want to switch operating systems after you have set up your site, so double-check this before selecting a provider. Reliability. Reliability and availability are arguably the most critical aspects to consider when selecting web hosting providers. You can have the best designed website around, but if your customers cannot access it, what's the use? The best web hosting companies offer availability rates of 98 and 99%, frequently referred to as uptime. It's easy to make such claims though, so make sure to see if they make good on their promises. Security. In today's world, security is an essential concern. Choosing a web hosting provider without learning about its available security features would be a big mistake. You need to understand the provider's firewalls, daily backups, and user authentication. All of these factors help to make up your site's security. It's also nice to receive notifications whenever changes are made, because they can alert you to suspicious activity. We'll focus on hosting packages and what you get with each. The larger and/or more complex your website is, the more comprehensive a configuration package you are going to need. The main packages available from most providers are broken down as follows. Shared web hosting is the basic package providers offer. Your website will be located on the same server as many other websites, so you're sharing the server, and any other resources, such as memory or CPU. Shared services are good for basic website needs such as email sending, file sharing, and simple e-commerce sites. Shared hosting is also the most cost-effective and therefore the best option for smaller or startup businesses. VPS. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server and is designated for your direct purposes, more than a shared server. With a VPS plan you may still be sharing an actual server, but the service creates a virtual server just for your website. That means all the resources are yours alone, from memory storage to processing power and beyond. This is a safer and much more reliable option that keeps your site separate from the others while still maintaining affordability. Next is dedicated. Dedicated hosting takes your website to another level. In addition to getting your own server, dedicated hosting lets you take full control over your server. Dedicated hosting provides you with full administrative access and you can set things up the way you like it. This type of package comes with many enhanced features that may not be necessary for all types of businesses. WordPress. WordPress powers over 34% of the World Wide Web and is one of the most popular content management systems available. WordPress is a shared hosting service that caters specifically to sites developed using the WordPress system. The provider's servers are optimized differently, and have features that are particularly attractive to WordPress performance, such as faster load time, pre-installation, security features that work specifically with WordPress, and WordPress updates. This is useful for businesses that have websites created on WordPress. Other top features to consider when selecting a host. Hosting quality is affected by several factors that are important to weigh during your selection process. Some of the most significant ones include uptime guarantee, load time, customer support, and location. Now we will review 10 of today's top hosting providers in no particular order. At the end of the video we will reveal our favorite, so stick around. Bluehost. Bluehost is an all-encompassing platform tailor-made for WordPress and powering over 2 million websites. Their easy-to-use interface allows you to sign in, choose your domain, one-click install WordPress, choose your themes, and create your site. Bluehost launched in 1996, and they now have a staff of over 750 employees. They have a 99.99% uptime, making them a very reliable option. With average load times under half a second, they have great site speed. Bluehost also includes a few easy plugins. One of their most significant selling points is their security and integration with Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a content delivery network (CDN). This CDN prevents DDoS attacks and fake traffic from all kinds of different sources. Using a CDN also increases site speed by allowing you to host your web files on their worldwide network of servers. This service shortens the time it takes to fetch data from your server based on a visitor's location. Finally, Bluehost is an official WordPress.org recommended web hosting platform. Ground has offered hosting software since 2014, and they pride themselves on fantastic customer support. They had a 99% client satisfaction rating in 2019 and respond to phone calls in seconds, reply to support tickets within 10 minutes on average, and are available 24/7 via chat. In addition to customer service, performance is a significant benefit for SiteGround users, as they had an average 99.99% uptime in 2019. Their platform is built on Linux containers, which makes them very stable, even with random traffic spikes. They also have excellent page load times under 750 milliseconds. If you are tired of lousy service and want a host with the industry's best customer support team, give SiteGround a try today. A2 Hosting launched in 2001 in Ann Arbor, Michigan in the United States. They are known as one of the fastest web hosts. They use turbo servers to give users a free 20x page load time. They help with speed, which is a major Google ranking factor. Site speed can affect not just rankings, but bounce rate, time on page, and conversion rates. Site speed is one of the most critical aspects when choosing from the best web hosting. Like other hosts on this list, you can one-click install WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and other content management systems. A2 Hosting also offer free migration services, free SSD, SSH, PHP 7, and global servers to store your files and distribute them quickly to web visitors around the world. A2 Hosting works for both Linux and Windows and offers a wide range of SSL certificates. Cloudways uses a scalable cloud platform built for speed and simplicity. Unlike shared web hosting, cloud servers give you more dedicated resources, which can help with speed and stability. Cloudways is a robust hosting service for web developers. It allows PHP developers to deploy containerized applications and other advanced features. They support many other high-performance technologies like HTTP/2, Nginx, and Redis. As a Cloudways customers, you can add cloud servers to your account at any time. You can also set up a virtual cloud server in under a minute. WordPress is the most popular content management system (CMS) on their platform, followed by Drupal and Magento. If you're an experienced developer and want more control, Cloudways is a good option. Green Geeks is an environmentally friendly web host with over 10 years of experience. They boast both a 99.95% uninterrupted time and feature load times under 500 milliseconds. Green Geeks confirms that they buy 3x the amount of wind energy credits to account for the energy used to power their platform. They're a green power partner with the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency (EPA). Their service comes with unlimited file storage, bandwidth, and email accounts as well as a free domain. Green Geeks also has some cool features such as their hosting account isolation setup, which provides accounts with dedicated computing resources and secured virtual file system. Secure VFS ensures accounts are unable to access other accounts, protecting your site against malware and other malicious activity. Green Geeks could be a great option for the environmentally conscious. WP Engine is a managed hosting company based in Austin, Texas. They primarily focus on speed, security, and scalability. Their managed hosting is specifically built for WordPress sites and comes at a higher price. It's not precisely hosting, but dedicated services to keep your WordPress site live. Site speed is where WP Engine excels. While other providers may include customized servers, you can still get bogged down by installing a lot of WordPress plugins. But with WP Engine, they have a network of servers with more aggressive caching than other providers. You're not allowed to install other caching plugins in WordPress because their caching is so personalized. WP Engine provides daily backups of your files so you can keep your peace of mind. They also have excellent uptime, reliable customer service, and high-end custom plans for the enterprise. If you are looking for one of the best premium managed web hosting companies, give WP Engine a test run. Founded in 2015 and built by a group of internet entrepreneurs, Name Hero sells domains names, shared web hosting and virtual private hosting. Name Hero hosted over 30,000 websites in 2019. They had an uptime of 99.9% and provide daily automatically backups. Name Hero uses Lightspeed web servers, which provides an increased performance of up to 9 times faster than Apache. This speed improves page load time and reduces the time to first byte, which is a factor for Google PageSpeed. Their platform also includes a free Railgun connection in Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a big plus to have because of its benefits like load balancing, minifying of code and images, and more. With Railgun, it becomes even faster. Name Hero servers use RAID 10 mirroring and stripping to ensure a level of stability and redundancy. That, combined with the SSD, provides excellent performance and reliability. Plus, it uses Cloud Linux OS, which provides dedicated resources to each customer. This vendor does not offer any type of website builder, but it does offer installers for WordPress, Magento, Joomla and more. Hosting is a new player on the field of web hosting, but they have built an outstanding infrastructure. All their data centers are certified under the SSAE 16 standard that guarantees their high levels of operation. Raised floors, climate control, 24/7 biometric security, fire suppression systems, water detection systems, UPS and generators are some of the things that make the home of your website as secure as possible. TMD Hosting is not the largest or best-known web hosting company in the world, but they offer strong hosting options. The company offers shared, VPS, cloud and reseller hosting, dedicated servers along with a ton of great features and premium support for all customers. While you will not find a massive quantity of reviews for TMD hosting, the testimonials you do find tend to be a lot more positive on the whole than those for many bigger name web hosts. Though TMD hosting offers are good, you may be able to find other well-tested and reputable web hosts for the same price. Hosting is a new player on the field of web hosting, but they have built an outstanding infrastructure. All their data centers are certified under the SSAE 16 standard that guarantees their high levels of operation. Raised floors, climate control, 24/7 biometric security, fire suppression systems, water detection systems, UPS and generators are some of the things that make the home of your website as secure as possible. TMD Hosting is not the largest or best-known web hosting company in the world, but they offer strong hosting options. The company offers shared, VPS, cloud and reseller hosting, dedicated servers along with a ton of great features and premium support for all customers. While you will not find a massive quantity of reviews for TMD Hosting, the testimonials you do find tend to be a lot more positive on the whole than those for many bigger name web hosts. Though TMD Hosting offers are good, you may be able to find other well-tested and reputable web hosts for the same price. DreamHost manages over 1.5 million sites used worldwide. They offer a 100% uptime guarantee and an impressive 97-day money-back guarantee. All sites come pre-installed with a free SSL certificate and WordPress firewall for added security. Their VPS offering provides 2 virtual private servers to each customer to increase speed, scalability, and performance. They also have multiple caching layers, auto-scaled memory, and these isolated servers to improve speed further. Additionally, every customer of their DreamPress platform gets built-in server caching and a static IP. These servers are super quick to respond to web requests as a proxy with the Apache and PHP WordPress stack. With DreamHost you will receive top-notch products, service and support. This is our list the best hosting providers. Hopefully the information we have provided will allow you to select the perfect host for your needs. Click on the link below to sign up with your selected provider and receive some bonuses to help make your website a success. So, who is our pick? That would be SiteGround. We have been using SiteGround for a while and cannot speak highly enough about their great customer service, custom management panel and reliable service. Thanks for watching this video.